Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. How you guys doing? So yeah, go and sit down and eat your food. Go. Oh, sorry. Cut your nose. Oh, let's go. Let's clean that. Hey. Hi. I've said hi before. So hi, welcome to my channel. Because I don't know, the vlog will just be any I want to be. Because I already decided doing things. This is here. So let me just get into my day. If you have not subscribed, please do it to subscribe, like, share. So I have been able to shoot 2 videos right now, and I'm so excited. I'm sure you have seen this video, right? I am so excited. Tovia is just crying. I do not know why. I kind of love this camera, but I'm no longer an Android person. Like, I'm so used to iPhone. I'm so used to iPhone. Hopefully I get to love Samsung. I've used Samsung before in the past, and how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are enjoying my series. I hope you're enjoying my vlog live series. This makeup is so bad. Ori makeup, when you're in a hurry, you get to do rubbish. So I'll be doing a makeup video for you guys. You want to see that? Oh, that pen just fell. Wait and safe. You guys, I'll see you guys around. So this is it without the light. I just off the light now. This is it without the lights. I was using my ring light to film. Yeah, let me go and edit this video. This video is to go up today, and this is after 2, you guys. Hey, after 2 in the afternoon. Let's go and edit the video. I want to quickly wash these clothes out of water. Eh? What you want buy? Mom, is that? Since to after 11. Yeah, I think I've been here for about an hour plus now, and I'm glad I was able to do this because it's almost not difficult for me to film during the day because of my children. Yeah, they always want my attention, but it's okay. I'm about to film the last one, then I'll go and sleep. It's so painful that this makeup is just going to go to waste, because where am I going to this night? It's like, where am I going to? Okay, I think I should just flip this to the back. Let's just leave this like this, yeah? Things I refuse to do before I clock 30. Number 1 thing is force friendship. If I see that the energy you are giving me is not, you should give me the same energy that I'm giving you. The second thing, be pleasing people. Pleasing people left, right, corner, center. I am too old to pretend that I like you. I am too old to pretend that I want to be around you. I am too old to pretend that I am your fan. So I just finished filming everything, like everything right now. I'm so tired. I need to edit at least one of the videos because I need to upload with night data. This is how the makeup is looking, you guys. You know, in that video it was looking so light, it was looking so white because of the lights. My lighting is so bad, so it made it look so white. But the makeup is not that bad. Not like makeup is not that white, Jerry. Tell you talk. So yeah, you can see everywhere is a mess. So I need to pack everything and get going. I kind of like this kitchen background. Like, I kind of like the vibe I gave the video. What do you guys think? Do you think I should be doing my sit-down videos here? I prefer natural light. There's this vibe that natural light gives when you're filming. Ring light not give that type of vibe. Yeah, so you guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully. I'll see you guys tomorrow, yeah.